Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System. Now we have to unroll the advanced, and here we've got reset options, so let's tap. And as you can see, right on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm the whole step. Here you've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so if you're ready, tap on reset settings and wait a second. It may take a while until the settings will be reset successfully. And as you can see, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.